What's up, folks? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. here, coming to you live about your customized link. This is your customized link to this particular webinar. Each and every Thursday night, we go live, okay? We go live where you get the opportunity to share this link with your friends and family members and prospects and so forth, right? And so when they go to this website, as you can see, the Iconz portion, this part right here, this is where you add your username right there at the Iconz part. Add your username right there and then test this link out. Make sure when you test the link out, you click on the Learn More button. It's going to take you straight to your website. As you can see, it takes it straight to mine. Okay. And so, folks, make sure that you're using this. Make sure that you're inviting people to get on live so they can see the live presentation, so they can get the interaction. As you can see here, if you scroll up, you can see the interaction here with the people on Facebook. That's very attractive. When people are watching this as prospects, they are definitely want to join. They don't want to be left out, folks. And they see in proof that other people are having success as well. So have fun with this. Again, it's watchthisnow.co/?ID equals putting your username. James R. Davis Senior signed out.